Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about authentication in transactions on the Pi network. Now, if you have ever made any transaction or any transfer on your Pi wallet, you will notice that it has never asked you for any form of authentication as long as you are logged into the wallet. And for me, this is a strong security issue. Unlike what you'd see on your Trust wallet, say you want to make a transfer with your Trust, you want to make send tokens to your to someone on your Trust wallet. If you've imputed the amount and then you want to send make the transfer, you'll be required to provide either a face verification, face ID verification, or thumbprint, some sort of third party verification apart from just having access to the wallet. Now, this adds a secondary layer of security to your wallet. But in Pi Network, up until now, before now, that didn't used to be a thing. Now, PiSwaps.com has included this in their recent updates on the website. Now, it now enables you to be able to include password authentication, third party password authentication to your verified email address. That's your verified email address on the Pi. That's the address you use during your KYC for Pi. Will now be used as a secondary token receiver. You know, they send token to it for you to verify your transactions. Let's get into this. Let me show you how this works. Now, the first thing you need to do is go to your Pi browser. Now, once your Pi browser is loaded, the next thing to do is to click on this drop down arrow. Once you click on it, change the URL to PiSwaps.com. Make sure you're doing this from your Pi browser, because if you do it outside your Pi browser, most of the functionalities will not be there. You know, this is a pro Pi ecosystem platform, so just make sure you do it on your Pi browser. Next thing to do is to click on the enter. Now, once you see this, once you do that, the page loads. Of course, they will let you know about the new updates they made to their platform. You can take your time and read through and understand what they have added to the platform. But for now, let's skip this. Now, once you have done this, the next thing to do will be to click on the launch app. Once you click on the launch app, you click on the KYC. Once you click on the KYC, you'll be required to authenticate your wallet. Now, just authenticate the wallet. Allow this to just load for a few seconds. Now that you're here, the next thing to do is to provide the email you used during your KYC. Please remember, make sure it is even written here. It says ensure the email address provided is same with one linked to this wallet during KYC. As when you were doing your KYC. Make sure that the email you're providing here is the email you provided during that KYC. Now let me provide my email. All right, after providing my email, I click on submit, allow this to process, and as you can see, it says 2FA enabled. Now, next thing to do is just click on the view wallet. Now you see I am now logged into my wallet. Now, inside my wallet, if I want to try to make a transfer initially, before now, if I want to transfer, say I come here and I want to send say maybe 10 pi, let me send some pi to my pi Pi wallet. Now, if I paste my Pi wallet here, the address here, and I impute the quantity of Pi I want to send. Initially, if you do this, if you click on the transfer, it just does the transfer and it doesn't make any form of authentication. But now, if you click on this, it is going to send you even an email. It will send you an email. It will send an email to your email address. Let's go to email address. Let's see if we received the token. And as you can see, Pi Network 2FA just came in. So I would copy my 2FA. Sorry. Okay, after copying it, I come back to the platform, paste it, and as you can see, it is syncing, and my transaction has been approved. Now, before any transaction will be done on your wallet, this authentication will be required. This is adding an extra security. Just give it a few seconds. I think this, yes. Now we see our transaction has been sent successfully. Now, before you be able to make any form of outgoing transactions on your wallet, an authentication will be required of you. Now, guys, this is a big breakthrough for the Pi ecosystem. This adds extra security to our wallet and makes things move smoothly for us. Now, if this video has been helpful to you, do not forget to smash on the subscribe button, turn on the notification icon to get notified every time we release new videos, and do not forget to like and comment as well. This will also help the video's algorithm. Until next time, stay safe.